Directly in front of us is a car that we've come to look at. I think we might be taking this car. What do you guys think? What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Myself and Yaku are busy exploring new parts of Johannesburg. I haven't really been this side much. I don't know about you.
No, definitely not.
No, I haven't been this side much. So yeah, that is a massive pothole. So we are exploring this region because we are on our way to look at a car. We're probably about 6 k's away from the car now. So yeah, we're going to try and find where we're meant to be going here, and then we're going to show you guys the car and maybe take it. We don't know yet. We'll have to go see. To go. I think she's running on 5 though.
Definitely needs some engine.
A little bit of love. Not a lot though, she's still very talky though. Alright everyone, we're just going to take a quick break from our car hunting expedition. So as you saw in our previous video, we are setting up our garage to be able to do some awesome projects. Yesterday evening, Yaku and I decided that we needed to spruce up this garage a little bit. We're going to be spending a lot of time in here, so we want it to be a nice place to film, a nice place to be. We want to have fun, and we want it to look good for you guys as well. So here's a little clip of myself, Yaku and Andrew pimping our garage. This workspace is going to be awesome for building cars, but we need to spice it up a little bit. It's a little bit echoey, and this wall is just begging for something. So Yaku and I have decided that we need a sign. So we're gonna quickly make a sign that's gonna go up right over there. It's basically gonna be something like this, just a little bit bigger by a little bit bigger. I mean a lot bigger. So we're gonna do that now quickly, and yeah, we're gonna show you kind of how we go about that. You can just slide it out there. Wait. And away we go. So for those of you who don't know, while Yaku's busy doing the setup here, this is a CO2 laser cutter, and basically what we're going to be doing here is I've already CAD'd up on my computer. It's basically a border for a sign. We're then going to take it once it's cut. We're going to use these standoffs. We're going to pop these standoffs on the wall. Once we've done that, we'll grab that out of the laser cutter when it's done, and yeah, then we will, what are we going to do? Put some LEDs. Basically we're going to give the sign underglow. And yeah, it should make this wall over here look that little bit more exciting. And we're about to finish out the K there. Well, we've done the K, now it's the U. And it's gonna go, I've done this as one half, and then we'll get another sheet like this and do the second half. Okay, Yaku's just corrected me. Apparently I was being wasteful and getting a bit excited. We can do both on one sheet, we'll just cut it in half, so sweet. So after one more trip to Builder's Warehouse, we managed to glue the last little bits and pieces down on the sign. So I'm going to show you guys what the sign looks like. I think it came out pretty cool, but you guys can let us know. It's now early on a Friday morning, and we are heading through to go and look at project car for the channel. And we had a look at it last night already, but it got quite dark, it was rainy, that sort of thing, so we really wanted to get some eyes on it during the day. Obviously it's just good to be able to check everything out and whatever. We were pretty happy with it last night, but we just want to go and do our due diligence. So we are currently heading down to Lenasia side, which is kind of like Joburg southwest kind of vibe. Yeah. We're going to go look at this car once more, and if everything checks out, we might have to go and sit in that traffic and bring it home. So yeah, join us for the ride. We're gonna check it out, and I think you guys are gonna like where this series is going, because there's also something else very exciting about what we're wanting to do with this, but you'll have to just keep tuned to find out what that is. Right, everyone, welcome to day three of hunting for a car. Hey, there's one there. We just asked Isaac what he wants for his. Yeah, so we've now got Andrew. Andrew's now not at work for this video, and Jaco's in the back seat. We are in Pretoria this time, so we've done Joburg South twice. Now we are trying the other side. We've also got 2 cars potentially in Springs, so we're going to do the East Rand 2. So basically, we're taking you guys not only on the journey of looking for a car, but a full tour of Gauteng. Really? Yeah. We are now heading towards Pretoria North side. We've got 1 or 2 cars up there that we're going to go see that we found a marketplace, but also in Zambezi Road in Montana, there are always cars. I mean, you guys have seen the second-hand car places up there. It's just thousands of cars, thousands and thousands of second-hand cars. So yeah, it's a beautiful day today, which makes a nice change from what we've been having in the last couple of days. We'll show you guys what we see when we get there. So yeah, sit back and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, so 3 days later and many more cars. We finally got the whole crew here, and directly in front of us is a car that we've come to look at. It is looking quite promising. What do you guys think? I think it's looking pretty nice. If we decide to take this, we're not going to show you, but if we don't decide to, we'll put it in now. But I'm looking at this and I think we might be taking this car. What do you guys think?
We'll never financially recover from it.
Alright guys, so we're going to go have a look around this car, and then you guys are going to have to see it when you see it. You're going to have to stay tuned.